Without regard to whether some place is wealthy or poor, everybody should have the chance at clean air and clean water. Barack Obama said this, and we agree with him, but sadly, this isn't the case.
There was a lead contamination crisis in Flint, Michigan that exposed people to dangerous levels of lead. As a result, 6,000 to 12,000 children got lead poison and will be impaired for the rest of their lives. Also, about 2 years ago, my house got flooded because of a pipe leak, which could have been caused by contaminants in pipes. Both situations took up lots of energy, time, and money to fix all the damage. These experiences motivated us to base our project on this topic.
Our big problem is that leaks are causing tons of water to be wasted. We have narrowed the big problem down to contaminants in pipes, which are one of the main reasons for pipe leaks.
Clogs are the initial factor in the problem pathway, which lead to pipe leakage because of contaminant buildup, and that in turn results in 700 to 1,400 gallons of water being wasted per each house's pipe leaks. To compensate for this loss of water, more water has to be pumped, requiring more energy, resulting in carbon emissions.
This problem affects everyone. You could have a pipe leak or a contaminated water problem. Other cases include water having to be repumped, which causes 290 million metric tons of carbon emissions, which contributes to climate change and definitely has a negative impact on you.
This diagram shows how much water we are actually wasting. The annual household leaks waste 1 trillion gallons of water, which can be used in over 11 million homes. By eliminating contaminants that lead to clogs, which is the source of the problem, we won't be wasting as much water.
Our solution concept is called SEARCH. It's a sensor-enabled, real-time contamination detection hydro kit. It's designed to be long-lasting, accessible by anyone, and can be installed in any place with access to water pipes. People will use this solution because it solves some of the main problems we face when it comes to water distribution.
Here we have the main pipe. The water goes down the lower pipe and through our carbon nanotube to get detected, with a contamination detection unit using Arduino and machine learning, which senses the resistance in the material. There is a built-in light that displays the level of contamination. Additionally, it alerts the user on an app as well as sounding a speaker built into it. There are also valves on either side of the pipe to cut off the water supply if the user needs to take the tube out to clean it.
These are the materials needed to create SEARCH. It costs about $37 for the consumer to buy.
An existing solution is a rapid nano filter, which has a small metal droplet that lets water pass while aluminum oxide flakes absorb the contaminants. However, aluminum oxides can cause pneumoconiosis, a deathly lung disease.
We met with a few different experts while we were developing our solution. We met with Frank, a Tualatin Valley Water District Specialist, Rudy, an Intel engineer, and Bob, a plumbing specialist. We learned about water distribution from Frank, Arduino encoding from Rudy, and the different materials that can be used to build our solution from Bob.
Our key feedbacks from experts Rudy and Frank was to expand our user group to people that don't live in homes and to have different ways of alerting the user. This feedback was an important component in developing our solution.
The potential impacts include equity, people, and environmental benefits. Environmental benefits. Clogs in water pipes lead to about 50% of the water being lost to leaks. Our solution will benefit the environment because it prevents electric plants from spending excess energy and producing excess carbon emissions for distributing lost water.
People benefits. Our solution will benefit people by providing leak-free pipes and detecting contaminants that may cause water-related illnesses. Taking this step towards climate change will benefit people by providing a stable environment for us to live in.
Equity benefits. The United Nations have declared access to clean water as a human right. Unfortunately, citizens that deserve clean water don't have access to it. Our solution will ensure that clean water reaches every community, regardless of their racial or economic status.
SEARCH could have prevented this house flood and could have prevented catastrophic events like the Flint, Michigan water crisis and other places where pipes have leaked. Clean water is something we all deserve to have and shouldn't be wasted. We can use SEARCH to benefit the world and the people.
Thank you for listening.